Uh, Hello everybody, we will be making Atlantic salmon fry today. I got this at Costco. This is healthy. I will be making this in my air fryer. The masalas are going to be the Indian style. It will be a little spicy. We like it like that. I'll show you how to make the marinade, and I'm also going to slice the fish into smaller pieces. I'll prep and I'll come back. I have separate knife and separate board for fish and meat. I suggest having two different boards for this because it's not going to cross contaminate. This is a huge piece of fish. It's like big. Let me cut it in half actually. So I'm slicing it. I have a separate colander for seafood too, so I usually use that. You don't have to wash this because this is pre-washed, and they have removed the bones and the skin too. See, there's no skin. Salmon is really good for your health. Now and then you'll find small bones like this, just remove it. Let me cut this and slice it. Let's prepare the marinade for the fish fry. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of salt. For this fish, I need this much of salt. You can adjust salt as per taste. Two heaping spoons of chili powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And a dash of lemon juice, freshly squeezed. I'll mix this now. I'll add a little bit water to loosen this paste. So if you don't have these items at home, or if you don't know how to do it, or you don't want to take the chance, go and get a store-bought fish masala. That should be good enough. I'm just adding a very tiny bit of water. I'll add more if required. So this is the consistency you're looking for. Like, it has to be like a paste. So at this point, you can check the salt for the masala and add if required. I usually marinate the fish ahead of time and store it in the refrigerator and fry as many as I want. When you're handling seafood, if possible, use gloves. So I will refrigerate the marinated fish. This can be fried in an air fryer or even the traditional method of a stove top. Just shallow fry it with a little oil. This is really an easy method to make and prep ahead of time. If you're running low on time, you can always, if you're running short of time, you can always prep this ahead of time and keep it for your dinner. You can eat just this as with some salad or soup. Make sure it's really dry like this. Today we will be using the air fryer to fry this. ஒரு சின்ன ரீகேப் தமிழில் பண்ணிடுறேன். இது வந்து நம்ம ஏர் ஃப்ரையரில் இன்றைக்கி பொரிக்க போகிறோம் மீனை. மிளகாத்தூள் 2 ஸ்பூன், மஞ்சத்தூள் 1/2 ஸ்பூன், லெமன் ஜூஸ் கொஞ்சம் ஒரு அரை லெமன் வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், ஒரு டீஸ்பூன் உப்பு. இதை ஃபஸ்ட்டு நல்லா மிக்ஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதில் வந்து ஃபஸ்ட்டு சால்ட் நான் செக் பண்ணிவிட்டேன் அந்த மசாலாவை ஃபிஷ் தொடுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி. தேவைப்பட்டால் உப்பு அதிகமாக ஆட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். நீங்கள் என்ன வேணாலும் அது அந்த டைமில் ஆட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஃபிஷ்ஷை நல்லா க்ளீன் பண்ணி கட் பண்ணி இந்த மாதிரி மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி மேரினேட் பண்ணி ஃப்ரிட்ஜில் வச்சிட போகிறேன். எப்போ தேவையோ நீங்கள் இதை ஏர் ஃப்ரையர்லேயோ ரெகுலர் அடுப்புலையோ எந்த மெத்தட் உங்களுக்கு கன்வீனியண்ட்டாக இருக்கோ அதில் பொரித்து சாப்பிட்லாம். ரொம்ப ஹெல்த்தியான ஃபுட்டு. ஒரு ஃபிஷ்ஷுன்றது ரொம்ப ஹெல்த்தியான ஃபுட்டு உங்களுடைய டயட்டுக்கு. அதிகமாக நீங்கள் ஃபிஷ் சேர்த்துக்கிட்டிங்கன்னா தலைமுடிக்கும் கண்ணுக்கும் ரொம்ப நல்லது. The fish marinated really well overnight in the fridge. So let's take the sheet that came with the air fryer or any baking sheet. Let's cover it with a piece of foil. Apply some oil. I'm using some cooking spray. We will line it here. In the air fryer, I'm setting it to air fryer mode. The temperature at 400. Remove this. I'll set it in the level 2 setting. The level 2 setting. Close it and cook for 12 minutes. So it's been 12 minutes. Perfectly cooked. Let me move it here. Move it to a plate. Flaky, tasty fish fry is ready. This is delicious salmon fry from air fryer. Try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. You can also fry this on the stove top, shallow fry with a little oil. Like this video, share it with your friends, and thank you for supporting us always. This is approved by my son. That's his hand. My kids love this dish. Thank you for watching again. Happy cooking.